Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Wyatt can husk at least 12 dozen ears of corn per hour and at most 18 dozen ears of corn per hour. And based off of this information, what is a possible amount of time in hours that it could take Wyatt to husk 72 dozen ears of corn? So if we're told that he can husk at least 12 dozen ears of corn per hour, it's possible that he could just be doing exactly 12. So we say in 1 hour, he can do 12 dozen. Then we do a conversion here where we multiply it by 72 dozen, because that's the amount that we're trying to find. If we multiply this rate by 72 dozen ears of corn, we notice that the dozens cancel out, and we are left with 72 hours divided by 12. If you do the math here, 72 divided by 12 is just 6 hours. So what is a possible amount of time in hours? 6 is a possible amount of time. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.